Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's totally free for you and it just means so much to me. Welcome to this abs and waist workout. Today we're focusing on the deep core muscles, the rectus abdominis, which is the visible part of the abs, and the waist. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to start with a quick warm-up of side bends. You already know how to do this. Core is engaged and you're just bending from side to side. That was good. Next up, we have MAKARENA hops. You're going to keep your core engaged still, make a big circle with your waist, and just tap your feet together. Good. If you have neighbors and you don't want to jump, that's okay. You can just step your feet together. It's all good. You're working out. You made it. Half the battle is already won. Next up, we have walkouts. You're just going to walk your hands out, pause in a plank, and then go back to the top. If you're feeling particularly excited about working out today, you can add a push-up. Otherwise, a plank is good too. You're doing good. Just one more. Or maybe not. Let's move on. Good mornings. You're going to hinge at the waist with your core engaged and just twist from side to side. You want this to be gentle and controlled. We're just warming up your waist, your back, your abs, because we're going to be doing a lot of work focusing on that midsection today. This is good. You're doing so well. Okay, boxer shuffles. You're just going to shuffle like Muhammad Ali. There you go. You are going to do so amazing today. I can already feel it. I feel it. You are here. You're not here for the games. You're here to work, and you got this. Let's go. Okay, we're going to go back to the MAKARENA hops, just making sure that those abs are nice and warm and ready to work today. Don't ask why I started turning around. I was just feeling fancy. You don't have to turn around. You know how I do sometimes. Okay, round one. We are doing toe reaches. You are going to stay in that position and just try to touch your toes. That's all you got to do. Make sure your abs are engaged the whole time. That's the most important part. Are you ready? Let's do it. I really want to emphasize that even though this is one of those workouts where the timer says 45 seconds, you don't have to literally be working the entire 45 seconds. You can take breaks, you can pause, you can sit down for a minute and meditate. It's totally up to you. Just stick with it, get back into it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Consistency is the most important thing, and you are here. So you're already on the right track. Keep going. Just do your best. That's all you can do. Abs engaged. Good. That was awesome. One down, 500 more to go. I'm just kidding. Plank rotations. You're in a plank position and you're going to keep your abs engaged and just try to raise your arm to the ceiling one at a time. If this is too challenging for you, just stay in that plank position and hold for as long as you can. You ready? Let's go. Good. You can let your legs kind of twist as you're doing this to help you maintain your balance. The most important part throughout this workout is to keep your core engaged. You're doing a good job. Keep going. This is good. This is good. You're on the right track. Just keep going. Hang in there. Girl, what have you been doing? You look good already. Just a couple more seconds. Hang in there. Ooh, you're doing good. You're doing good. That was awesome. Okay, you're going to turn around and do a starfish hold. You're going to keep your lower back on the floor. Try to raise your shoulders up just a little bit and your legs just a little bit. You ready? Let's go. Good. You're doing a good job. Make sure you're sucking your stomach in and you're keeping your lower back on the mat. Just do your best. If you need to release, that's fine. take a pause, get right back into it. That's why we have 45 seconds, so you have plenty of time to drink water if you need to. Just do your best. Every time you do this workout, it's going to get easier and easier. So just keep going. Hang in there. Suck those abs in. Good. I told you breaks are allowed. Just get back into it. Koboko, what are you doing? Get back into it. Okay, didn't get back into it. All right, 3D crunch. We're going to still be in a similar position. Keep your hands under your booty or very close to it to help your lower back stay on the mat. And just crunch your legs straight to the right, to the left, back straight, to the right, to the left again. You know what I mean? You're kind of going to each side and also to the middle. Good. This really helps to target your lower abs, and it helps to target it from different angles, making it super duper effective. It's also a bit challenging, so just take your time and do your best. That's the mantra for this workout. Just do your best, girl. I was going to say girlfriend, but then I realized some of you are probably married, some of you are probably in relationships, probably shouldn't be calling you girlfriend, but you know. Okay, let's just focus. Crunches. Next up, air bikes. Still keeping that lower back on the floor. Try to touch your elbows to your knees. If you find air bikes to be challenging, you can go back into a plank. You are still going to get really good results from doing so. You can hardly go wrong with planks. But if you're comfortable with air bikes, let's go for it. Abs are engaged and you're just touching your knees to your elbows. You look good. You're doing a good job. After this, you get a break. You are so close to your break. Just a couple more. Keep going. Push through. You got this. You can do this. You made it this far. High crunch. You want to keep your core engaged and just crunch towards your toes. Keep going. You got this. After this, you get a break. Keep going. Just a few more seconds. You can do this. You are so close. Hang in there. Keep going. Just crunch. That's all you have to do. Keep a slight bend in your knee to make this slightly easier, but just keep moving. The break is almost here. You did it. That was amazing. We're going to keep this short and sweet and end this right here for YouTube. But if you want the full 30-minute version of this workout, please visit my website, www.KOKOFitness.com, and get a free week of workouts on me. Let's go straight into the cool down with a quad stretch. Just hold that leg towards your booty. Hold a chair or wall if you need to. I am so amazed you made it through. Your legs have worked hard today. Let's get them nice and flexible. That was intense. That was amazing. And you did it. Go ahead and switch legs. Do the same thing. Just try to touch your heel to your booty. Hold on to something for balance if you need to. You made it. You did that. You finished. That's amazing. Go ahead and do a forward bend with your feet slightly apart. Just to stretch out that back. You have worked. Take your time with this. Take your time with this. And finally, I want you to put a slight bend in your knee. Give yourself a big hug. And I just want to remind you that what you did today is amazing. You are changing your life one workout at a time, and I just want you to know that that is awesome. You are beautiful, you are strong, and you can do this. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next workout video.